Alright, open it.
Yay!
Toilet paper.
Yeah! Now
What
you
else
can,
is in there?
now you can wipe your butt. What's that? What is it? Is it candy?
No. Freaking stuff. It's only these stuff. They're not presents.
What's wrong with it?
I don't like them.
Why?
These are just tampons.
What's wrong with tampons?
I'm not allowed to use these stuff.
Why?
Because
You can totally use that toilet paper. Don't you wipe when you go to the bathroom?
well, I already have some.
You already have some?
That was not my present.
Your sister's in your